Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. The world's best noise cancelling, quieter than ever. True to life spatialized audio for immersive listening regardless of content source. Luxury designs and plushy material for exceptional comfort. That's what music does for you, takes you to new heights. The immersive audio offered by Bose pushes the limits on hearing by taking listening outside of the head and putting it in front of you. You can almost feel that you can touch it. It is a powerful sensation. .5mm to 2.5mm audio cable. USB-C to C cable 20. Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. Bose Immersive Audio. Thanks to Immersive Audio, you'll be able to enjoy audio that sounds like it is coming from outside your quiet comfort. Headphones, enhancing the space sounding and natural nature of the sound experience, a wide soundstage across. Front and sides for your music and other audio, much like if you were sitting in their sweet spot between a pair of stereo speakers. Fast charging, when you don't have time for a full charge. The fast charge feature provides up to 3 hours of playtime from a quick 15-minute charge. Activescence listens for very loud outside sounds and selectively applies noise cancellation briefly during those sounds. Link in the description for these amazing headphones. Wind block is a setting you can use when your environment is windy. Wind block mutes the microphones on the outside of the ear cups used for noise cancellation, so that gusts of wind do not cause system responses that become noise disturbances in themselves. Note that the exterior microphones used for voice pickup are not muted, so if you're on a call, the person on the other end will still hear the wind. Immersion mode, combine full noise cancellation and Bose Immersive Audio to listen like never before. It's the realest sound you can get. These spatial audio headphones with Bose Immersive Audio push the boundary of what it means to listen. For you, it means music that sounds realer than ever before. Man wearing Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones outside. Okay, now let's try the Bose Music app. unboxing and review if you liked this video. Comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.